Hi, I'm Dr. David Baum, psychologist and clinical director at ASAP Cincinnati. As the new school year begins, it's important for parents, educators, and the larger community to understand that the transition back to school can be challenging for teens. They are likely to experience increased stress and may develop concerning behavior. These days, there are many risks facing teens that require our attention, all of which elevate the likelihood of experimentation with substances, as well as engagement in problem behaviors like self-harm, physical and verbal aggression, isolation, poor school performance, and avoidance. For parents, it's particularly important to understand the role that you can play in helping to protect your teen. Prevention is key. Open communication between parents and teens is critical. Work to engage in honest conversations about the risks of using drugs and alcohol, while encouraging them to seek help if they experience emotional challenges. Parents often underestimate the impact of supportive parenting in helping teens to navigate the complexities of the school environment. Research evidence shows that parents underestimate the influence they have with their teens. At ASAP, we empower parents at all levels to heal the family system that is negatively impacted by these concerns. It is appropriate for teens to want to fit in with their peers, but this becomes a significant risk if their friends are engaging in problematic behavior. Social media expands this influence, where teens experience pressure to engage in problematic behaviors from all corners of the internet. When these behaviors don't fit with their emerging values, it creates a serious conflict. Teens approach these experiences not recognizing the risks and consequences that lie ahead. Heading back to school may trigger these challenges while impacting their ability to cope. If you find your teen is struggling with these concerns, ASAP can help. ASAP offers 2 flagship intensive outpatient programs: TRIP for teens with substance use issues and Clarity Intensive for teens with mental health problems. Both of these programs include parent and family engagement to help families cope with the consequences of adolescent behavioral problems. To learn more about our programs and schedules, insurance coverage, or just to speak to one of our staff members, feel free to contact ASAP at 513-792-1272 by visiting asapcincinnati.com or emailing us at info@asapcincinnati.com. We very much look forward to hearing from you.